Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make eggplant involtini with ricotta, herbs and tomato sauce. Peel eggplants leaving some skin on. Slice them thin and cover with salt. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then pat dry with paper towels. Brush them with olive oil and bake for 30 minutes. To make the filling, mix the ricotta with the parmigiano reggiano, the herbs, in this case parsley, olive oil, one yolk, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together. Place the tomato sauce in a baking pan and fill the eggplants with the ricotta filling. Roll them up and place in the baking pan. Add more tomato sauce on the top to cover and add more parmigiano reggiano. Bake at 350 for 35 minutes. You can serve it as an appetizer or a side dish. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Buon appetito!